So for breakfast I've got 2 gluten-free waffles. They are amazing. I've got pure dairy-free spread on them, and I've also having a nectarine with them. Okay, so this is my lunch, which is a Weight Watchers recipe, which is beef ragu. Obviously I swapped out pasta for gluten-free pasta, but everything else is the same. And then I obviously added mozzarella cheese because I'm not following it strictly. I just want to experiment with food basically a bit more. Okay, so I batch cook for a couple of days, so that's why there's a few here. But this is my lunch. 1 box would be my lunch, and that is a Weight Watchers recipe again. And it is chicken fried rice. I do adapt it though because I don't have the egg in it and stuff like that, and I just eat this cold at work. And then I have some French beans on top. Again, I eat them cold, and I just find this nice, and it's only 4 points. So if you're actually doing Weight Watchers, then it's not actually a bad meal for what you get. So yeah, it's really nice.